Hey guys, as some of you know, I've started on a new journey to pursue my bachelor's degree in digital cinematography through Full Sail, which is a branch of Los Angeles Film School. Today is an exciting day. I wanted to record this. I'll go back and record the videos as I've been taking classes in different seminars and networking. I'll share some of that information from day one. But right now I'm in month 2 and it's an exciting day. Today, well, as a part of the program, you get what's called a Launchbox, Project Launchbox. From my understanding, with the program, it's included in tuition. You get a MacBook Pro, the lighting, all the equipment. I currently have a MacBook Air, which I do a lot of my software updates, editing, yeah, that whole thing. Anyway, today the first part of the Launchbox came and it's iPad. Happy about that. FedEx came not too long ago to deliver the package. If you could hear them, they're outside still delivering packages to other people, but I'm happy I got mine. So I wanted to share the experience with you guys because I know a lot of my classmates have had questions on when we'll be receiving it and what comes with the Project Launchbox and how it's formatted and so on and so forth. So I will say, great job, delivered by FedEx to the front door. Bada bing. Bada bing. Bada boom. It's a 32 gig iPad space gray. Yeah. So excited to have this. This month 1 was creative presentation. I'll go back to that video. Currently in month 2, which is psychology of play. Pretty interesting so far, learning about the different characteristics of play and intelligence and different ways that we learn and how play can actually be of great value to our life versus what we were taught about play is just only for children or play is just for the non-passionate or not so passionate people. So anyway, I wanted to share this experience with you guys as I had a lot of questions on it, when it would be coming. There's a lot of excitement behind it. But more importantly, I think that I know that they're providing these tools for us to be successful with our careers and with school and our classes. If you're like me, I'm a tech geek, a techie, or however you want to call it. So I love electronics. As you can see, my tripod is recording me. Yeah. So I love electronics. I've always loved Apple products, so it's amazing that Full Sail offers this opportunity for students to advance their creative passions and directions. I think it should be used for whatever you want to use it for, but I plan on definitely making it truly a part of my everyday school experience and working life and the new career that I look forward to embarking upon. For future updates, keep on following the YouTube page. You can subscribe by clicking the link wherever it is, or you can follow me at Jovan on Instagram, JoJovon.